Hello everybody, so today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about differential equations. So now I will show you how to answer. This one we can change into dy over dx. Next, I will put this one go to the left, ds go to the left, y+1 go to the right. Next, we put the integration for the both sides. So this one we can do about factorization by s. This one we have number 1. So for this one we need to add about s. Later that we need to minus about s. This one I need to add number 1. Later that we need to minus number 1. So this one divided by this one, we have number 1. S divided by s, we have number 1. So we have 1 over s minus 1 over s plus 1. This one divided by this one, we have number 1. And now we have the final answer. The integration of number 1, we have y. And here is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.